Hello, my name is Alex. Welcome or welcome back. If you are new, please consider subscribing to the channel for more yoga videos. Also, if you do enjoy this class, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Thank you. Thank you. Namaste. Let's begin standing at the top of your mat, the top of your space. Commit to the present moment, to being aware of each inhale, each exhale. Arrive. Inhale, arms reach wide and overhead. Keep them shoulder width. Look up, lengthen again. Exhale, swan dive forward. Knees can be soft. Inhale, halfway lift, long flat back. Exhale, fold forward. Press to stand. Palms touch. Let's do that again. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Look up, reach up. Exhale, fold forward. Halfway lift, shoulders back. Exhale, fold all the way. Draw in the lower belly as you press to stand. Once more, just like that. Arms reach wide and overhead. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, let it go. Round up. Palms touch. Let's continue to move. Inhale, arms reach wide, overhead. Swan dive forward. Exhale. Inhale, halfway lift, long flat back. And from the look up position, hands down, plank pose. Let's lower all the way down to the mat for cobra. Untuck the feet, shoulders roll back, lift up halfway. And lower. Tabletop. Child's pose just for the exhale. Back through tabletop. Let's do one round of cat-cow. Inhale to arch. Exhale, round. Neutral. Tuck the toes, and we're back. Downward facing dog. Take about 3 rounds of breath. Pedal it out. Just feel out where you are today, right now. Look between the hands. Walk to the top of the mat, feet together. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Press to stand. Inhale, arms overhead. Lift up, lengthen. Exhale, fold forward. Halfway lift, long flat back. Hands down, plank pose. And let's press right back to our downward facing dog. Right foot steps between the hands. Let's lower the back knee and untuck the toes. Lift up onto fingertips. Feel the left hip flexor. Make sure the front knee stays over the ankle. Press back half split. Don't worry about straightening the front leg. We're just wanting to feel the hamstrings. Shift back to a lunge. Lift the left knee off the mat. Lunge twist, left hand down, right arm up. Right hand back down. Step back to a downward facing dog. Let's switch sides. Bring the left foot between the hands and lower the right knee. Lift up onto blocks or fingertips. We want a long spine. Smooth out the breath. Half split. Come back to a lunge. Lift the back knee. Lunge twist, right hand down, left arm opens. Left hand down. Back to a down dog. Look between the hands, step to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold all the way forward. Press back up to standing. Let's turn to face the long edge of the mat. Step the feet wide. Heels in, toes out. Bend both knees. Sit down. One hand on top of each knee. And dip the right shoulder forward as the left shoulder blade draws back. And switch. Once more to each side. And switch. Come back to center. Let's press the legs straight, reach the arms wide overhead. And a big step to the top of the mat, bring the feet together. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, fold forward. Bend the knees and sit down on your mat. Let's turn to face the long edge again. Left foot in, right foot out. And left arm will reach up and over. Side body stretch. And sit up. Switch out the feet, the legs. Make sure the sit bones stay evenly on the mat. Right arm up and over. And sit up. Bring the left foot in, sit up tall, and roll the shoulders back and down. Let's lift the arms overhead and twist to the right. Float the hands down. Right shoulder back, left shoulder forward. Release through center, arms up. And twist to the left. Back through center for a closing breath. Arms reach wide and overhead. Lift up, reach. Long. Exhale, hands lower down. Thank you for your presence. Namaste. Hello. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this class, remember, please subscribe, like, share this with a friend. Also, find me on Instagram. I will link that information below. There are also some links in the description box that include some of my favorite things, like my water bottle. Nothing is sponsored. Thank you. Thank you. Namaste. That's all I got.